All right, Justin, here's your 302. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously, you can see it's all blue. The guys in the paint shop did a fabulous job on it. Looks beautiful. Set of RS cast heads, Edelbrock manifold, Brawler carburetor, MSD Distributor. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller, rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500 or 356 foot-pounds of torque. That's about peak torque. It's pretty flat through there, 355, 354. Horsepower-wise, 364, rated 350, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure they're good and clean. Show you a couple things here. Receive your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. The crate will be this engine spec sheet, and I'll have some data on it. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.